Oh yeah, it's made of fucking ceramic and glass PVs, and it's not really a fire.
We have a fan over there, it's just blowing it out of space.
Yeah, exactly. That's it. I gotta tell a story to the class and some fucking
Jesse, come closer. Alright, show 3, 2, 1.
Alright. Are you serious? There's a Wi-Fi network out here?
No. Do you really want the ball?
Okay, everyone, I'm just going to go home now. Yeah, well, time to go with it.
And lock all the doors as well.
All right. Who thinks that 3 minutes of a YouTube video is good enough?